Rise, rise to your feet, rise to your feet. Let the world hear you in the streets.
Just rise.
Rise from the pain, rise from the strain, rise from the stress. Just do your best.
Rise and let the world hear you.
Go ahead and tell the world we will never fail you.
Rise. God says rise.
Welcome to the Big Riot World Domination. Please pay attention to the following announcements. You can now dominate wherever you go. Be sure to purchase your Dominate gear today. Stop by the table in the lobby to grab hats, shirts, book bags, and more. Are you ready to dominate? Stay in contact with Big Student Ministries online. Check us on Facebook at /Big Student Ministries or Official Minister Mike. You can also keep up with us on YouTube at Official BIG and Twitter at Official BSM. Big Student Ministries is open every Sunday for junior and senior high services. Doors open at 9 a.m. Junior high in the Big Building, formerly known as the Academy, and senior high in the Fellowship Hall. You can also join us live for Big Open Mic. Tune in as teenagers tackle real issues and discuss real solutions. Come be a part of the live studio audience or join us online. Check the Big Facebook page for details. The Big Riot After Party is happening Friday night from 9:30 to 12 a.m. in the Fellowship Hall. There will be live performances, a DJ, food, games, and more. You don't want to miss out. World Domination the album is available now, featuring hit music from the students of Big Student Ministries. Purchase your copies today while supplies last. Want to avoid the long lunch lines? Pre-purchase your lunch tickets in the Dome lobby. Pre-purchase tickets will be cash only. All other forms of payment will be taken in the cafe. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.